This very bright and beautiful phone is the Google Pixel 9a. Let's unbox it together. Google's A series devices are meant to be lower cost, usually at the expense of dropping some features. However, the Pixel 9a borrows a lot of great things from the Pixel 9. When you open the box, you find the product documentation, a SIM card removal tool, and a USB-C cable. Nothing too exciting there, but it gets interesting once you open up the phone and take a look at that 6.3-inch display. Now, this has up to 120 hertz refresh rate, so this could be a very good device for gaming on. But the most striking feature is on the back of the phone. Take a look at that. That camera module is almost flush with the phone itself. This is a really significant design change for Pixel phones. Right here we have the Pro XL, which does have better cameras, so they would take up more space, but still, you can see a very dramatic difference there. But then even comparing to the Pixel 8a from last year, we have a much more sleek and angular phone. Not even just the camera module, but also the overall design. The sides of the phone are flatter. The one side has no buttons, and this side has a power button and the volume buttons. And then on the bottom, you got your speaker, your USB-C input, as well as the SIM card tray. The Pixel 9a has the same processor as the Google Pixel 9, which is the Tensor G4, so you're going to be able to do a lot of the same AI functions that you can do on the flagship phones like Photo Unblur, the Magic Editor, which reframes your photos, and you'll be able to tap into Google Gemini for your on-device digital assistant and AI support. There's two size options for your storage, 128 gigabytes or 256, and the phone comes in four colors. This one was Peony, which is pink, Iris, which is purple, Porcelain, which is the whitish color, and Obsidian, which is black. Google says the phone will get 30 hours of battery life on a charge. I haven't really been using it long enough to fully put that to the test. However, in the past, I've been really impressed with Google Pixel A series devices in general. So I'll be curious to put that to the test, doing some real-world use scenarios. That's a quick introduction to the Google Pixel 9a. As I'm doing my testing, it'd be very helpful for me to learn what sorts of things that you're interested about in this phone. Drop a comment so I know. Thank you so much for watching this video.